Apple has just released the highly anticipated iPhone 16e. This new phone promises to revolutionize the mobile experience. The launch date was February 19, 2025. This phone is not just an upgrade, it is a whole new era for iPhones. The iPhone 16e is packed with advanced features. These features are designed to make life easier for users. The phone boasts a sleek and modern design. It is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The iPhone 16e is more than just a pretty face. It is a powerful device with a lot to offer. Apple has really outdone themselves this time. The iPhone 16e is all about artificial intelligence, or AI. Apple has integrated AI into every aspect of the phone. This makes the phone incredibly intuitive and easy to use. One of the most impressive AI features is the new voice assistant. It can understand complex commands and questions. It can even learn your preferences and habits over time. The AI-powered camera is another highlight of the iPhone 16e. It can automatically adjust settings for perfect photos every time. It can even recognize faces and objects in real time. The iPhone 16e faces stiff competition in the market. Other phone manufacturers have also released AI-powered devices. However, the iPhone 16e stands out for its seamless integration of AI. The iPhone 16e's AI features are more advanced than those of its predecessors. The previous iPhone models had some AI capabilities. However, the iPhone 16e takes it to a whole new level. Apple's focus on privacy also gives it an edge. The iPhone 16e's AI processes data locally on the device whenever possible. This ensures that your personal information remains private. The iPhone 16e is available at various price points depending on storage capacity. Apple has tried to make it accessible to a wide range of consumers. You can purchase the phone from Apple's website and authorized retailers. The phone is available for purchase worldwide. Apple is known for its global reach. The iPhone 16e is no exception. The iPhone 16e is poised to be a game changer. Its advanced AI features and user-friendly design make it a winner. It is a worthy upgrade for anyone looking for the best of the best.